Are you sure I can do this?
Yes. I'll tell you what.
I feel bad.
Hit him in the face. Don't hit him in the nose.
Hit me in the
I'll
cheek.
hit you in the cheek.
Hold on, wait. My phone might be ringing.
Get it, Laura. You got hit. Just
Hey, get a running start.
Hey, start of the road.
Let's go. Come on. Just fucking there. Just do that.
Ready, Matt?
You better connect. If not, you're a pussy.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Are you sure you don't care?
Just
I'm
go.
gonna with you.
Just go.
We got a video documentation.
Put your face down.
Just do it.
Put your face up. Holy shit! Dude, Laura just... Holy shit! Holy shit! Laura just drilled the fuck.
Dude, that was pretty fucking good for a goddamn girl, dude.
Laura,
That was way worse than I hit him. Way worse.
I can tell you one thing. Her punch hurt way more than David.